Sweetie. Sweetie. Wake up. It's me. I'm home. Hey there. I'm glad to see you too. God, I missed you so much. You are freezing cold. Were you just laying here without a blanket? Oh, you fell asleep waiting for me. Sweetie, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you wait like that. I should have texted you. Come here, let's get under the covers. Come here. Let's snuggle up. There we go. It feels so good. Oh, babe, you don't even know. I've missed you so much. I have missed this so much. No way. I missed you way more. I totally did. Well, I missed you infinity plus one. Okay. Come here, let me see you. Hey, beautiful. I miss this face. I miss the way that you look at me. These eyes. You know, you really just radiate pure love. You can make me feel like a king just by looking at me. I miss these eyebrows, and this forehead, and your cute little nose. Boop. And I miss the taste of these lips. So soft. So sweet. It was so lonely without you. I mean, I know we texted and FaceTime, but it doesn't even come close to just being here with you. You are literally re-energizing me right now. I actually feel alive and awake for the first time in days. You are my one and only. You are the only thing that matters. And you are coming with me next time. No, don't worry about that. We'll figure it out. I do not want to do that again if I can help it. Felt like I left part of my body at home. A very sweet and adorable part. No, the trip was fine, you know. The hotel was okay, meetings were fine, it's normal. I even got the emergency exit seat on the plane, so, you know, actually had enough leg room for once. But, you know, the whole time, you were the only thing that I could even think about. I am serious. You're like a song stuck in my head. Yeah, in a good way. The best way. Just addicted to being around you. You know, in the lobby of the hotel, I saw a girl who looked just like you from the back. And almost instinctively, I went up to try to hug her from behind. It's like a little kid about to hold the wrong hand in an amusement park, you know? It just froze. So stupid. You know, honestly, when you're not around, everything starts reminding me of you. Every meal reminded me of a meal we had together. Everything on TV reminded me of something we watched together. Whenever I saw other couples, no matter what they were doing, it reminded me of you. I'm so glad to just have the real thing again. Yeah, those pillows were not cutting it. I need the genuine article. I missed having your body against mine. I miss being able to trace my finger up and down your curves like this. The way you breathe. The way you smell. You are my favorite person in the whole world. You know that. Thank you so much just for being you. You really have no idea how grateful I am that you are who you are. You've done so much for me. You've sacrificed so much for me. You were there when nobody else was. I owe you so much. I wish I could give you the whole world. I want to give you everything. But I'll at least do whatever I can right here and right now. I'll support you and love you and be there for you no matter what happens. Whatever I have to give is yours. I belong to you. Come here. Get a little closer. Give me your hands. You know, your heart is really beating. I can even feel it through your wrists. I'm glad to know I still have that effect on you. Guess you didn't totally forget about me. I know. Do you remember the last time that we were all bundled up, holding hands like this? It was when we went up to the mountains to go see that meteor shower. Yeah, that was really nice. Okay, yeah, you had to force me to go, and I complained the whole way up. But when we finally got there, you were right. It was exactly the thing that we needed. You were smarter than me, as usual. God, it was so beautiful up there. Just like once in a lifetime kind of stuff. Like we were the only people in the whole world. You knew me better than I knew myself. So did your wishes ever come true? When we were up there during the meteor shower, you insisted on wishing on every single shooting star, and you made me do it too. You don't remember, or you don't want to say? Oh, it's bad luck. Okay. Whatever. I'll leave it alone. Yeah, you know, that's the problem with the city. There's like so much light pollution. Can't even see the stars. There could be a meteor shower going on right now, and we'd never know. No, you're my star. You're a superstar. Yeah, we're so obnoxious. But I can't help it. You're just too darn cute. My little squishy snuggle bunny. You're so precious. Just want to give you a million kisses. And hey, if we can't be annoying in the privacy of our own bed, then I say phooey. Yeah, sorry. I went there. I know it's bad managed to curse in front of a lady, but phooey. And hokum. And balderdash. You know, I actually got you something. You want to see? Hold on. Here you go. Ta-da. Oh, okay. Glad it makes you so happy. Well, I remembered you said when you were a kid they were your favorite. And they were just selling them at the airport, so. Yeah, of course I remember. I actually do listen to you, you know. I'm a very attentive and detail-oriented person. Okay, except for that. I love you too. I could just see you back then as a little kid. But you were a bad kid. But you were a wild child. Oh, you were always nice and sweet. That's good. Me? I was really I was shy. Never had a lot of friends. Stuck to myself. Yeah, I'm sure you would have. But it's okay. That's a lifetime ago. The only thing I think I would have changed is that I probably would have reached out for more physical affection. You know what I mean? Like, we're primates. Like, touch and grooming, that's just basic stuff. It's in our DNA. But things work out how they work out. My parents were never really like touchy-feely people, and dudes, we all gotta be macho. There's not really the same kind of platonic touch that girls have. And believe it or not, I was not very popular with the ladies. Yeah. But it's like, it really made me exhausted and anxious all the time. I felt really alone. That's sweet of you to say. But now, I gotta use you to make up for all the years of hugs and snuggles and kisses that I missed out. Yes, I absolutely am the clingiest man on earth. But you love being clung to. You love it. Oh yeah, it's the best feeling in the world. Having you right here, in my arms, nuzzling against my neck, head buried in my chest, your little foot tapping to the rhythm of my heartbeat. It is everything I could ever want. It's the only thing I need. I love you so much. More than I can convey. More than you could ever know. You are my whole world.